The reality is nothing will ever replace the importance of face-to-face interaction with your customers and colleagues. Personal friendships, long-term relationships are what we do best. And we do those best face-to-face and in person. And we're really looking forward to it.
It's always something to have people come and actually see what you have available, which is always helpful. But then the other thing too that I like is we typically bring most of our staff with us, and they can see how we present to the rest of the industry. We have our warehouse, we have our office space, we have all the things that we do regularly, but to have them come and see how we show our product, how we, in more of a retail environment, how we sell our products to our customers and then sell it on to the public, gives them a better feeling for who we are and what we do and how we do it.
We find it's one of the best sources for connecting with our customers and establishing new ones. We find we're able to find out what's happening in their business, and they're able to become aware of what's happening in ours. It's nice because in a normal sales call, you can talk, but at the trade show, you're able to show them the products that they'll be receiving and touch it.
It's just a hands-on industry still. I feel like you want to get your hands on the pool tables, or you want to get your hands on the cues and the dartboards and things like that. So I still think it has a very big appeal to people to actually put their hands on our products and touch the textures and things. And that's important to decision making, I still feel, in the billiards world.
I think it's important to see customers face to face. It's valuable when we're explaining our new products and maybe helping them overcome some hurdles they might have with our existing products, with their clients. People let their guards down and you get to know your customers personally, beyond just ordering products. And it's a good time. We enjoy it.
I'm Rob Johnson, CEO of the Billiard Council of America. On behalf of myself and the entire board of directors, we want you to understand our exhibit with confidence play. If it becomes apparent that hosting an in-person meeting is not in the well-being of everyone involved, we will take the same steps as we took in 2020. We will provide immediate notification to you, and we will provide options for receipt of a refund, or you can keep the money with us and apply to the 2022 BCA Expo. You have our commitment that we will be forthcoming with details as we plan for the 2021 BCA Expo and beyond. Thank you.